Improve your photography, take better images by changing your perspective and angles. Hi, my name is Square and I'm a photographer, and this week's video could be kind of a game for you. Your homework, a way to escape a routine, to expand your horizons and to open your mind. Basically in this video I'm going to share with you a few thoughts and tips to help you get out of your comfort zone, to think things differently and to question yourself. If you're the type of photographer that takes all his pictures standing up, facing their model, then this video is for you. Take your camera, throw in your bag a few lenses, or if you're game, take only one, and go on your next shoot and avoid taking your pictures at any cost standing up. You have this amazing opportunity with your camera to tell a story, to send a message. Stop taking boring photos. You can, with this tool, show the world differently with your own eyes. Your perspective will completely change the way we see your picture. For example, we want to take a powerful, epic photo of a performer. Well, lay on the ground and take your picture from there. I love taking my photos from the ground. It gives that powerful feel, look to the model that I'm shooting. You probably have seen me in my previous behind the scenes video, always laying on the ground. It's just something I love doing. Plus, little bonus tip, use a wide angle lens. This will really exaggerate that feeling. Viewer is immediately sucked into the action. This really works well with sports photography. Let's go further. Let's go down a little bit more. How? Simply by using stairs. Of course, you can do this without stairs. You just have to find a place where you are taking your picture somehow lower than where your model is standing. The advantage of using stairs is that you have these awesome, obvious lines that you can use to help you compose your shot. And of course, with stairs, you can place yourself wherever you want. I started experimenting this years ago, like the following pictures that were taken, I think in 2014 during my trip in Montreal. You want to go even lower? I don't think that's possible, unless maybe if you're shooting through a glass transparent floor, or if you have your model standing on top of you somehow or hanging from the ceiling. This perspective is really interesting. It's really challenging, having yourself laying on the ground, your camera facing up towards the ceiling. Of course, you won't have the opportunity to do this a lot unless you're like me, working with service performers. This lets you create mind-bending pictures where people will ask themselves how this picture was taken. Bouge pas. that we have done this so many times, and in this particular picture, we got kicked out from this apartment. But what about high angle shots? It's tricky because, you know, most of the time when you take high angle shots, this tends to shorten the height of your model, and most of the time performers, they hate that. But this depends really on the type of compositions you choose to use. With these kind of shots, you are dominating your subject, your model. So to minimize that effect, I asked my model not to look directly at the camera. I asked them to look away and to face and to go in an opposite direction. On this one, I focused on the shadows that was created by the general form of her body. So I just asked Valentina to improvise. Once you're familiar with the process, try and go for that high vertical angle shot. This is not easy to do. You gotta fill in the frame to really make it effective. I first started doing this back in 2014, again in Montreal, with this fantastic duo. And here another simple one with Eloise. Of course, do not try all these at once on one photo shoot. Choose an angle, work on it for some time, and then when you feel comfortable with it, pass to another one. You are really building your vocabulary here, so take your time. You might see much more opportunities to take photos in the future. You will have much more ideas, and you might even boost your love for the art of photography with time. If I had to summarize this, you know, stop being lazy. Every time I feel that I'm too comfortable, it's way too easy, then maybe I'm doing something wrong. Challenge yourself, be creative, try new things. How do you step up your photo game? Are you still trying to find weird new angles, new perspectives for your photography? I don't know, tell us in the comments below. That's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it and that you were happy to see me again this week. I know I was. If you're new to this channel, if you haven't subscribed to this channel already, please consider doing so and press that little bell button if you don't want to miss my next post. Show some love and share this video all around you. And of course, I'm wishing all you guys a fantastic weekend, and I guess then I will see all of you, yes, all of you behind this lens next week in my next video. But until then, yes,